You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French basketball player, how it's pronounced in French, and how you can easily pronounce it in English. In French, his French name is Evan Fournier. Evan Fournier. Therefore, in English, he played for the Detroit Pistons at some point. Evan Fournier. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.